What is Thrillin' Villains? Welcome to the brand new BLU studio. My name is Gabrielle, and today we are going to be taking a look at quite possibly the best smartphone that BLU has ever produced. We are talking 128 gigs of internal memory and 6 gigs of RAM. What could you possibly do with that much memory in a phone? Well, you're about to find out. This is kind of a big deal, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to pause the video and let you gather your friends, family, because they're going to want to see what this is all about. Oh, you're back. I see you got your best friend, Abuelita. Nice to meet you. Now, I'd like to introduce you to the newest flagship device from BLU, the VIVO 11 Plus. Thank you, Wentworth. Wentworth is not skipping out on those squats. Now, shall we begin? You guys are gonna love everything inside this box, I promise you. And here we have, finally, the piece de resistance, the VIVO 11 Plus. The Type-C charging cable, headphones, the charging brick, Type-C headphone adapter, funky sticker, quick guides, no one reads those though, and a screen protector, clear silicone case, 2 silicone cases, and finally the SIM key. Right away, you can see the vibrant 6.2-inch Full HD Plus all-screen design. This is perfect for all you Netflix and chill by yourselfers. The weight of the phone feels just right in your hands thanks to its solid metal frame. It has all of the qualities of a $1,000 smartphone at a fraction of the price. And for all of those who aren't into the notch, one quick swipe and you're all good. Now, to show you that this phone is not just a pretty face, let's fire up the N22 app and see some of these benchmarks. I wish I had grades like this in school. I wouldn't be doing YouTube videos for a living, that's for sure.
You can't say that.
Impressive stuff so far. Let's take a look under the hood though. The VIVO 11 Plus is coming out of the box with a MediaTek Helio P60 Octa-Core chipset with an AI technology and advanced Cortex-A73 architecture. It's responsive, fast as lightning, and will be able to handle anything you throw at it, while still delivering incredible energy efficiency for a longer battery life. So let's put it to the test. There we go. Oh my god, I just landed. Running naked, running naked, running naked. This is actually running really smooth, which means that you're gonna have to come up with a better excuse than your phone was lagging when you can't win a game. Another victory, easy as pie. Actually, speaking of pie, Android Pie is already in the works for the VIVO 11 Plus, making this an even sweeter deal. Now, because I will never turn down the chance for an impromptu photo shoot, let's see what the VIVO 11 Plus's cameras look like in action. The 16 plus 5 megapixel dual main cameras are powered by AI-enhanced smart imaging and video. This means that you're getting a plethora of beautification and in-device features that would make any photographer jealous. This, combined with the 16 megapixel selfie camera, you have yourself a perfect, match made in heaven selfie extravaganza. And with the dual portrait mode, you can turn any photo into a work of art. Plus, with its 3050 milliamp battery, you'll be able to focus on finding the right angle and not finding a charger. If Hollywood has taught us anything, it's that artificial intelligence will eventually rise up and take over humanity as we know it. But for now, we've harnessed it to unlock your phone. Simply look directly at your phone and let the 3D True Depth Face Unlock sensor do the rest. The year's most budget-friendly device can be yours at Amazon.com. Whoa, wait up! The video isn't over yet! Alright, that's better. Hey, I respect the hustle though. So listen, You can get the Vivo 11 Plus with 128 gigs of internal memory and 6 gigs of RAM exclusively on Amazon.com for only $349. And if you need any more reason to buy this phone, for a limited time, BLU will give you an immediate $100 rebate, meaning you can get the Vivo 11 Plus for the insanely low price of $249. We are practically giving you this phone. So, make sure that you grab yours today while supplies last. And if you enjoyed me and this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to BLU's YouTube channel, where you can find all of the latest news that BLU has for you. And remember, be bold.